This time, we introduce a 7-inch high-definition monitor. It is an extended display designed for Windows systems. It adopts an IPS display panel with excellent display performance. Details are clearly visible, and color reproduction is extremely high. The case of this monitor is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, making the screen solid and durable, with a premium feel. We provide 2 classic colors, silver and black, for users to choose from. To meet the needs of different usage scenarios, it also supports system rotation for both landscape and portrait modes. The display uses a USB 2.0 interface for communication. Supports 1 cable connection. No more wiring is required. Provide convenience and high efficiency of dual screens for you. Also, it supports multiple screens on the same host, making your multitasking more efficient. Moreover, with simple installation, it can also serve as a data monitoring screen for your case, making your case more stylish and cool. We also provide a free and practical triangular stand, making it convenient for you to use it anytime and anywhere. For more display sizes, please feel free to visit the Waveshare Electronics official website for purchase.